idea is to get nice and crispy oven roasted lentils. They're gorgeous. These look perfect, nice and crispy and gently brown. Look at them. Finally, we're going to top this off again with these beautiful jewels of pomegranates. And that's it, we're ready to eat. Ramadan Kareem. Today I'm going to be preparing a wholesome and fresh meal that is perfect for an iftar table, and as a bonus we're going to keep it very light, low in calories and extremely colorful. So let's get started. So our recipe today is the pomegranate chicken with spiced lentils and labneh. I have preheated the oven to 200 degrees. My lentils are here. They're already cooked. They're from a jar or a can, so I'm going to give them a good rinse. So I'm going to toss my lentils on a baking tray. So for the onion, I'm just going to slice it. So I'm going to first peel it, cut it into half. This is always the easiest way to get rid of the peel. If you want, you can either do some very light wedges or just some slices. I'm going to toss the onion with the lentils. The idea is to get nice and crispy lentils. Oven roasted lentils, they're gorgeous. Drizzle them with some olive oil. Then I'm going to sprinkle with some ras el hanout. So ras el hanout is a typical spice mix from North Africa. There is some sweetness from cinnamon, from cumin, from cloves, from allspice. But watch out, you'll find some cayenne pepper there too. Tossing it one more time. And now just 15 to 20 minutes in the oven until they're nice and crispy. So once the pan is hot, I'm going to add the chicken breasts, and we're going to fry the chicken breast until fully cooked through. It's going to be about 5-7 minutes for each side, and we want to make sure that they have a nice brown golden color as well. So I'm going to turn around the chicken. Look at this beautiful color that we have. Now we're going to need another 5-6 minutes. So now that the chicken is cooked through, we're going to add in the flavors, and the saltiness will come from this soya sauce. And sweetness, very typically in this part of the world, comes from honey. And finally, the pomegranate molasses. Pomegranate molasses are going to add a beautiful color and also the tanginess. We're going to finish frying up our chicken for just about a minute and nicely glaze it in the pan. So I'm just tossing and turning the chicken a little bit to make sure it's fully coated in this amazing glazing. I'm going to start by rinsing the parsley. I'm going to first remove the hard stems, and I just go through roughly with my knife. And now I'm going to show you how to de-seed your pomegranate at home. You cut it in half, take quite a deep bowl, hold your pomegranate quite firmly with the tip of your fingers, and then with a wooden spoon, you start tapping. That's how you de-seed your pomegranate. And then the final touch is the cucumber. So I'm going to give it a good rinse and just roughly chop it into squares. Next, I'm going to check in the oven, and I think we're going to be ready to plate. These look perfect, nice and crispy and gently brown. So I've added in the parsley into the lentils, and I'm tossing everything on the tray. And you can just hear the crispy lentils. And then the last step is to slice the chicken. So now to plate, I'm going to put in the chicken first, a generous amount of lentils on the side, some cucumber. Then I'm going to add in the labneh. So it's basically a strained yogurt. It is a really widely used ingredient in the Middle Eastern cuisine. It's tangy and thick. And then finally we're going to top this off again with these beautiful jewels of pomegranates, just to add that color and the sweetness. You could still add some of the pomegranate molasses from the bottom of your frying pan on top of your chicken, just to add that extra flavor and that extra color on your dish. And that's it, we're ready to eat. I can't wait to dig into this recipe. This is right up my alley. It is light, colorful, flavorful, a little bit sweet, a little bit savory, a gorgeous, fast recipe. I hope you'll enjoy it too. And for more inspirational weeknight recipes, click here. And from my part now, bon appetit.